Making good progress back here. It's been a few days and we've done a lot of work already. We've done a lot, but it still looks crazy. But I'm sure that this is gonna look a lot better when we're all done. Just gonna continue working. Today's a really nice day. Today is day 3 of my 30-day jump rope challenge. See how much weight I can move, but at the same time, we are fixing up the backyard. So we were gonna throw out this, whatever this is right here, this dresser, and now we're thinking about turning it into a raised planter bed. Because it's a nice frame, it's still in good condition even though it's been out here. And it'll be nice to repurpose because we were planning on building that anyway. Kind of a 2-for-1 deal, making good progress out here.
Trying to find out what it is.
This can be safe. It could be a giant litter box
Oh yeah.
for the cats down here. Oh, there's a huge spider in there.
Where?
In there.
In there?
In here. And down the side. So the stuff that was under there. Never mind. I thought it would be good, but look at it. It's all rusted in
Is
there.
that like PVC and stuff?
You think the PVC is still good?
Something.
Yeah, it's still good.
But not the stuff under,
It's
right?
dirty, yeah.
What's this?
Some type of ducking. This is not good, it's gonna crack.
Alright, you want to take the PVC out? And
I'm not sure what we would use it for, but yeah.
yeah, I mean, I just don't want to throw out all his stuff, you know?
Yeah. Keep what's still good.
So
Right?
this is...
Oh, it's actually disgusting though.
Could get a rinse, huh?
Yeah.
Here.
Cool.
Come get this now. Is that like the first day?
No, we had already started working on
That's right.
it. Look over there. And look.
And now we're gonna do good.
Day 15 here in the backyard working on it. Let me show y'all how much progress we've made. So we're just piling this stuff up and cleaning all of this out. It's been raining, so we couldn't work on the backyard the past few days. But we're making crazy progress.
What is
What up? So I'm gonna give y'all an update on the yard. We've been working on the backyard every day for like a month straight or something like that. Show you guys what it looks like. Finally got all this stuff moved out the way. Took down some trees. Still gotta take that bad boy down. It's really deep in the ground though. It's like wedged in that rock. All this stuff, all that garbage is gone. We're not sure what we're doing with this yet. Taking this wood, using it as wood fire from the trees that we took down. Still messy here. Made this little fire pit. Yeah, it's coming along. Alright, thank you for watching the video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Part 2, we're gonna finish up everything that we had started, and then I'm gonna give you an update on what the backyard currently looks like now. It looks way different because we've done a lot of different things, so that's why I'm not giving you an update in the last part of this video, so I'm sorry about that. I can't even show you right now because we've done so many different things, but stay tuned. I'll be uploading that soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.